Hi everybody, and welcome to the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Grunge Your Art Drawing. You can tell it's 2:45 in the morning, I guess. Today we're going to do our drawing for our Grunge Your Art event. Now, what we're going to do is I create a list using Excel. You can see this is the Grunge Junk Journal Tutorial and More drawing list. This is the Sweet Pea Paper drawing list. We've already done that giveaway. And then I just use a number randomizer, and then everybody has a number, and that's how we tell who won. Now, you'll notice that some people have several in a row, and that's because they probably either A, entered a bunch of posts in a row, or B, entered a couple of posts and they each had the kit in them, so they got 2 entries for each one, and they do get entered in a row, so you do get like a little block of numbers versus them being, you know, mixed in. I don't switch them around or do anything. I enter them in the order that they are entered into the group. All right, so the gang here is done pretty good. We've got 79 entries. And let's get going. So here we are at the random number generator. Don't pay attention to that. Don't look at the man behind the curtain. Anyway, because that's the last number we generated from the Sweet Pea Papers drawing, because we had 81 there. What was it here? 79? Yep. All right, so let's change this top number to 79. So between 1 and 79 are the numbers that we're going to generate. And the first place prize is 3 digital kits from LineDotArrow. Second place prize is 2 digital kits from LineDotArrow. And the third place prize is 1 digital kit by LineDotArrow. And I'd like to thank Natalie for donating the prizes for this drawing. Now, it doesn't matter where you live. These are digital prizes, so we don't have to worry about you being in the United States. You can live anywhere in the world. And I'll tell you in just a minute after we do the drawing how you can claim your prizes, okay? So let's go ahead with the first number. Number 55 is going to win 3rd place. And that's Mandy Barclay. Okay, and then let's go to the congratulations, Mandy. Got right in there, right in the middle of all these other names. Usually you do, you know, actually, to tell you the truth, I may have left your name out once because usually you use the papers, the freebies and the papers. So that might have been my mistake, but you still won. All right, let's do the next number. Number 29 is 2nd place. All right. And Michael has won again this month. He's won 2nd place. He won last month, too. Won a gift certificate. So congratulations, Michael. And then the third number is number 45, and that's 1st place. 45, and that's Sophie Vandale, or Vandale. First place. So those are our winners. The 1st place winner is Sophie Vandale. The 2nd place prize winner is Michael Clement. And the 3rd place prize goes to Mandy Barclay. So congratulations to everyone, and congratulations to everyone who entered for posting their wonderful creations on the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group. And now remember, we're going to have another drawing in 30 days or so for the Shabby Your Art drawing. So keep creating and keep entering your projects into the drawings. Now, the way you claim your prize is you get 2 ways to do it. You either message me on Facebook Messenger at Terry S. Lee. That's going to be on the screen for you. Or you can email me, and some people find that easier, at sweetpeapapers2020@gmail.com. Okay, again, that's sweetpeapapers2020@gmail.com. My voice cracks this time of morning always. Does that when I'm recording other videos like crafting videos too. Okay, so those are the 2 ways to claim your prize. Tell me what place you came in, first, second, or third. And if you want to, you can go ahead and go over to Natalie's LineDotArrow Etsy shop and pick out your 1, 2, or 3 kits and tell me the name of the kits you want when you contact me at first. Or you can just claim the prize, and then we'll go back and forth until, not back and forth, please, but then you can message me a second time with what you want. And then you can message me a third time and say, thank you, Terry. No, I'm kidding. Groveling is not required. Anyway, so that's going to be it for this drawing, and I'll see you in the next drawing, which will be in about 30 days. So that will be about a month for you and a month for me. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Congratulations to the winners. Thanks again for submitting you guys' projects. Bye.